Every major tech company seems to have its own initiative with generative AI these days, whether it's Google with its Gemini AI models, Amazon with Anthropic, Meta with Llama, or recently, X formerly known as Twitter, which has also started doubling down on its AI initiatives with Grok, the company's own chatbot. Elon Musk, the owner of X, has spoken highly of the chatbot, and after some time of exclusivity for X premium users, Grok is now finally available for free users, as well as offering a standalone experience on the web. Using Grok is as easy as using ChatGPT. All you need to do is visit grok.com and start using it. You can also sign in if needed. Let us guide you on how to get started with the web version of Grok AI. How to get started with Grok web version. Step 1. Visit grok.com. Once you do, the chatbot will ask for your age. Simply enter your birth year and proceed accordingly. You will be greeted with the message, "Welcome to Grok. How can I help you today?" Step 2. In the input box, simply ask a query and Grok will respond. Step 3. Grok can access the internet and provide real-time information. You can ask questions like, "What's the temperature in my city?" and more. Simply enter your prompt, then press enter or tap the upward arrow icon to the right of the input box. That's it. You can now start using Grok on the web without needing to use the X app or visiting x.com. Note, for the best experience, you should sign in with your X account or even Google. To do so, tap sign in the top right of the page and select your preferred option. Grok AI web experience. Here's what you need to know. As you may have noticed, you don't necessarily need an X Twitter account to start using the web experience. You can simply sign up using your email or sign in with Google, so using an X account is no longer a limitation. Another major benefit of the web experience is that it has its own separate website, grok.com, so you don't need to open Twitter to access it. What can Grok do? Just like other AI-based chatbots like GPT and Gemini, Grok can generate text as well as images. You can enter prompts such as make an image of a dancing cat or anything you can imagine, and Grok will generate images for you. It's also worth noting that this is completely free and you don't need to pay to access these features, including image generation. There are also various modes you can use with Grok, including auto, visually, search, and model only. Additionally, you can upload your own files to get inputs based on that.